Let's see if we could get more hydrated skin by mixing our Haus Labs and the Mixun bean syrup. So we're going to combine these two together to see the results. So I don't have a palette, so I'm just going to use this giant vase. And we're going to put the Mixun bean serum on here. I'm going to do 3 pumps of each. So I'll do 1, 2, 3. Ooh, ooh. She looks like the snail mucin. And this is the Haus Labs in 100 light neutral. So just to let you know, this is the shade that I am. I'm pretty light. And we're doing 1, 2, 3. So right here's both combinations together. I'm going to go ahead and use this brush to place, and then I'll use a sponge to buffer. So just kind of to be able to really mix everything good. Oh my god. You saw that? Alright, let's see. Here's a couple swipes. Damn, I feel like it's not enough. It really lightened the shade. I'm going to put a little bit of it just by itself on the other side. I'm going to do just one little squirt over here. And then just using my brush. Do you guys see a difference? I don't know if I really see a difference. I'm looking at it straight on. I think maybe there's a little less coverage on this side than on this area. But I don't mind that because it feels a little more lightweight. I feel it a little more in this area than I actually do over here. It feels a little more lightweight. I will say that. I'm going to go ahead and do another 3 pumps. But instead of 3 of these, I'm just going to do 2. I do feel maybe doing the same amount in the concoction was a little bit too much. It's becoming this very interesting texture. It became almost very watery, which this foundation tends to be a little bit more on the thicker side. And I'm going to just mix this into my sponge because as soon as I put my sponge to the face, it's going to take out most of it. So I just put a good amount on the sponge. I will say it does definitely provide more of a hydrated look. I'm going to see how it looks with the rest of my makeup, and then we'll be able to really tell, because this foundation is to cover the sins of your life and everything. All right, let's do a whack transition because it might not turn out good. So 3, 2, 1. Wow. Did it work? Did I do it? No, probably not. So this is the finished look using these 2 products. Overall, this is with all my makeup and everything on top of it. It does definitely give a lighter look. I do rather like it. It looks a lot more natural. It's not as heavier. So if you feel this is a little too heavy for you, maybe mixing in a couple drops of the Mixun. I do enjoy it overall. So this is the final look, and I'll see you guys in the next one.